CMF Nodding's sub-brand has just introduced its new CMF Phone 1. This is a new mobile device focused on the entry range, but it has a lot of identity, especially for the back cover that you can exchange through different screws, and also has an element called accessory point, which, as its name suggests, will also allow you to screw different types of accessories such as a strap, a hard case, or a stand. This device is intended to be much more attractive than other competitors in the same segment, as its launch price has been set at $199. On the screen you see the reference price in other currencies to give you an idea, and notice how it really is a super attractive device. But despite being a budget device, it doesn't make too many sacrifices as you might think. For example, it has the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, which is pretty good, and we usually see it in more expensive devices. In addition, it also has a 6.7-inch OLED display with 120 Hz and 2000 nits at its peak brightness. It also comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB versions of storage with 5 mAh in its battery. It supports 33-watt charging and has a 50-megapixel primary camera, although the secondary camera is only a depth sensor. Possibly this is where it makes the biggest sacrifices. I would have preferred it to have only one camera, but surely to make it look more modern, they put 2 cameras. The manufacturer promises 2 operating system updates and 3 years of security patches. And by the way, it is IP52 splash-proof. It also has in-display fingerprint reader and supports micro SD. The front camera is 16 megapixels, and in the US it will be sold through a beta program, although it has also been announced its distribution in the UK and Europe and is expected to arrive in Mexico soon, although I will be confirming that later. They also presented the CMF Watch Pro 2, which is a watch with a considerably thick frame, but being a silver frame it looks nice. And in this case you can also change the bezel to have a new design. In addition to the bands, the screen is 1.32 inches with AMOLED technology, and in this case it has the IP68 level of resistance against water and dust. Its construction is in aluminum and has a digital crown with which you can also control your watch. This watch does not come with Wear OS, it comes with its own system and comes with 100 customizable watch faces. Obviously you can receive notifications, make calls, control music. It also has GPS, and it supports 11 days of typical use with respect to its autonomy. Obviously it can also monitor other parameters like your oxygen saturation, your sleep, stress. Even for women it can help them keep track of their menstrual cycle, and it supports 120 sport modes with automatic recognition for 5 sports. In this case, its advertised price has been $69. On screen again, you see the reference price in other currencies. The CMF Watch Pro 2 were also presented. In this case, we are talking about their fully wireless headphones that come available in blue, orange, black, and white colors. And again, with a design essence that immediately stands out. I think that can become something of the most attractive. Your case is obviously going to be used to charge these headphones, but it comes with a little slider that you can rotate so you can control the volume of your playback. You can also press this button to control noise cancellation and a few other things. So the case is also used to control the headphones. They incorporate Bluetooth 5.3, support the LDAC codec, also have the spatial audio feature, and obviously have active noise cancellation up to 50 decibels. The headphones promise 6 hours of use with noise cancellation off or 4.8 hours with noise cancellation on. In fact, the headphones feature fast charging, so the manufacturer claims that with 10 minutes of charging, they can give you 3 hours of playback. These headphones cost $59. On screen is the reference price in other currencies, but remember that prices here are not the same as over there. And above all, remember that we will soon have these devices to make them a full analysis. For now, they have been presented globally. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you next time.